Happy New Year. Of course, it's already a little bit late. Well, we are getting close to Chinese New Year. In this very short video, I will talk about the plans for 2026, so things to watch on the channel. As you know, it's all about data and not any feelings whatsoever. We keep the entertainment content in short supply, shall we say, and we focus on data and coding. So in 2026, I will focus more on live events. I continue with ebooks and online content. Of course, as always, in terms of navigating the content here on YouTube, the best place to start is my GitHub. You find all the links, all the code, and quite a bit of data on GitHub, which I think is the best way to look for content and to navigate. My latest course on 365 data science is live on econometrics using Python. This is me. Well, bit AI enhanced, usually look a little bit worse. There will be another course coming out shortly, which will focus on advanced machine learning AI tools used in finance. On Udemy, there are now 3 courses on Starter, focusing on time series modeling, and a course on company valuation. This is, of course, Excel based. There will be some updates on these courses in 2026 and potentially another course. I'm not yet sure. We will see how much time I have over the summer. Now, the live event I mentioned is on the 12th of Feb at 11 o'clock UK time, focusing on risk-based portfolio optimization in Python. This is organized by Packt. You can just register here for free, and we have some fun talking about portfolio theory and why portfolio theory doesn't really quite work. We talk about APIs, getting some financial data, optimization in Python, and so on. And we spend a good, 60 minutes plus up to 1.5 hours having Python fun. There's not much else you can do at this time. It's a nice pre-lunch session. And of course you find, oh, that's nice, you get another discount here. You find my book on business analytics with Python with my colleague 𝐑𝐢𝐤 Chen on Amazon or Kogan page. And as I mentioned, there might be another book coming out maybe this year, maybe not, we will see, on cybersecurity and financial crime. So that is roughly what I plan to do. As always, please leave a comment. You can always get in touch and I might be able to cover some alternative content if there is the space and time. I see you next time. May the force be with you.